Greetings. We have a question on our hands today. Question yedu ndeye trigonometry. Reva kuti we should be solving triangles. Question yedu iri kuti, in the diagram, ABC is a triangle in which AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to x centimeters, AC is equal to 2x centimeters, and ABC is equal to 120 degrees. Form an equation in x and show that it reduces to 4x squared minus 4x minus 16 is equal to 0. Our first point of call, we are going to reproduce the triangle. So reproducing the triangle, so we are told that this is A, we have B, we have C. The angle ABC is equal to 120 degrees. The side AB is 4 centimeters. The side BC, x centimeters. And the side AC is 2x centimeters. Question yedu iri kuda kuti tichowe a certain equation. Rather, we have to form an equation in x, then reduce the equation to this form. And if we are particular with what form this equation is in, we can see that equation is actually in quadratic form. So maybe I'll start with that. The forms of an equation are determined through a certain system. That system looks at the highest order power. What does it look at? It looks at what is called the highest order power. What do we mean by highest order power? Tiri kungotarisa the highest power of x, and not the highest power of the unknown, of the variable, which can also be known as the unknown. Saka tikatarisa an algebraic expression, which can also be an algebraic equation. And by algebraic, zvirongoreva kuti it is an expression or equation which has a combination of numbers, real numbers, as numbers occur in nature, and also variables, unknowns, which are usually denoted with the letter X or Y or Z or any other letter in the English alphabet. Saka ndo zvatiri kureva kana tichiti highest order power. Tiri kutarisa an algebraic expression, tobva tatarisa the unknown, toona kuti unknown yedu ine which power. The highest power of the unknown gives us the form of that equation. Saka kana tiine situation, for example, yakangodai so, we have a situation like it's just x plus 3. This one is called a linear expression. And why is it a linear expression? In a way, kuti, the highest power of the unknown x, the 1. That is why it's called a linear expression. If we make the highest unknown power to be 2, x squared plus 3, for example, this is now called a quadratic expression. Quadratic wacho huri kubvepi? Huri kubva pakuti the largest power of our unknown is 2. Then when we go to the power 3, we are now talking about what? We are talking about a quadratic expression. So zoti 4 toramba tichienda, ma-orders achisiyana, ma-powers achisiyana, ma-forms those equations or expressions achisiyana, and by consequence, ma-graphs ema-expressions acho chisiyana. Saka we can dramatize a little about my graph. It seems as if I'm wanding off, but I'm not wanding off. I'm going to bring back what I'm saying, the implications of what I'm saying to the material demands of our question. Saka panapa we can now do this. If we are to assume kuti yanga iri, for example, x cubed plus x plus 4, we look at the highest power, the 3, throughout we now have what? A cubic expression. And the term cubic refers to 3. Why ndichidaro? Because we have situations where we have units, in cubic centimeters. You see? Saka the term cubic irongoreva kuti chi is power 3. Irikuita refer to power 3. If we want to look at the graphs, different graphs of these 3 forms, cannot types of expressions, tikatarisa the linear graph, throughout graph riri kubva linear expression, tinongoona line. And we are going to do linear programming. We are also going to look at the generalized equation of a line. Y is equal to mx plus c. You might already know it, which tells us the important characteristics which make up a line, primary of which is the gradient, but we also talk about the y-intercept when we are drawing a line on a 2D xy Cartesian plane. Then when we go to the quadratic expression, the quadratic expression giving us the quadratic graph, tanima graphs akadai so, like this. Sometimes anouya akadai so. You see? That is a quadratic graph. We are also going to look at my graphs here when we discuss quadratics as a topic. It also falls under algebra in our syllabus, which is the ZIMSEC, Zimbabwe Schools Examination Council syllabus. Then lastly, when we want to look at the cubic expression, giving us, of course, the cubic graph, we now have graphs like this, which can also be written as this, dependent on the equation, cannot the expression, of course. Saka madifference andakupai awo ndekuillustrata kusiyana kwazvinoita nekuti highest power ya x ndiani. Kana highest power ya x ari 1, we have a linear graph, a linear expression. Kana highest power ya x ari 2, we now have what? A quadratic graph. Then kana the highest power ya x ari 3, we have a cubic graph. Panozoita for chienda kumberi, in ordinary level, even in advanced level, kunyangwe ako advanced level kune topic in pure mathematics inonzi polynomials, pekuti you can be given any form, any type of expression, x to the power whatever. But when we are talking about ordinary level mathematics, we usually keep kana kuti tinowanzo kugumira pa cubic expression, cubic equation, ichitouya iri ku section B of paper 2, kureva kuti sometimes haitouya. So why am I talking about this? Ndiri kuda kuti tidzokere kuquestion yedu. The last part of the question iri kuti form an equation in x and show that the equation reduces to 4x squared minus 4x minus 16 is equal to 0. Actually, it's not 4. I'm sorry. It's 3x squared minus 4x minus 16 is equal to 0. The importance of that equation, kuziva kuti it is a quadratic equation. And our justification yekuti it's a quadratic equation irikubva pakuti the highest order, the highest power yax iri kuwanikwa pana 3x squared apo ndi2. So because the highest power yax ndi2 zvinoreva kuti that is a quadratic equation. That is going to give us an idea of how we should solve this question. So let us now look at the question and solve it. Saka, if we want to take stock of what we have an included angle 120 degrees. We have the corresponding side of the included angle AC, which is 2x. Then we also have 4 for AB. We have x for BC. What do we want with this question? We have to solve for x. Saka kuti tite solve for x, knowing kuti, of course, takatarisa that triangle. It's not a right-angled triangle for mainly two reasons. Chekutanga, kutongoiona, we cannot see where we can fit 90 degrees. Because in a right-angled triangle, we can only have a 90-degree angle, and the remaining two angles, to make the three angles of a triangle, the remaining two angles, they should be what? They should be acute. By acute, we mean they should be less than 90 degrees. Because if we already have a 90-degree angle, we cannot possibly have another angle which is 90 or greater, because that defeats the sum of interior angles of a triangle, which should always be 180 degrees. Saka pamusana pekuti muna 120 mukati umu, tatoignore nhau yekutoti titongozoona kuti haitozi right angled triangle nemaziso chaiwo. The fact that we have 120 zvoreva kuti it's an obtuse angled triangle. And in our trigonometry, where we learned different operators to solve triangles, where we learned about the Pythagoras theorem, where we learned about the trig ratios, Chasho tau, where we learned about the sine rule and the cosine rule, we already know kuti kana tisingadhile ne-right angled triangle, ndipo patinotanga kutamba ne-sine rule pamwe chete ne-cosine rule. But apo, can we apply the cosine rule? Before I answer that, let me rephrase my question. Which of the two, the sine rule and the cosine rule, should we apply? Mfudzo wangu, tinofanirwa kuapply ipi pakusolve that triangle, solving for x? Can we then apply the sine rule? Saka, there are many things zvatinofanirwa kuconsider sine rule. So vamwe vanogona kuti haiwa, you are beating up around the bush, just to take us directly to the answer. The reason why mavidhio yangu achireba instead of kuti ndingokuratidzai kuti answer inowanikwa sei, inhau yekuti handisi kuda kukudzidzisai kuti munoweka sei answer. Rather, ndoda kukudzidzisai mafungiro amunofanirwa kuita kuti muzokwanisa kuweka mega in the future and muchiwana the correct answer. So on top of showing you how it's done, I am teaching you the thinking which takes you to the answer. So the reason why tiri kuzvibvunza manje, we have eliminated the Pythagoras theorem. That one is not a right-angled triangle. We have eliminated, cannot excused the trig ratios. It's also not a 90 degrees right-angled triangle. Saka tasarwa nei? Tasarwa ne sine rule ne cosine rule. Methods atakadzidza tinoshandisa kusolve triangles. We are now trying to answer the question, can we apply the sine rule? And my answer is we cannot. But I cannot just say we cannot without a reason. I have to empower you with the reason. The reason why we cannot use the sine rule apo, kunyangwe iriyo the easier of the two. Saka in mathematics, I always say kuti, the way we do mathematics, we should practice mathematics in the same way water flows downhill. Mvura inoerera sei ichibva mugomo. mvura inoyerera ichitsvaga the path of least resistance. Saka kune vanoita mount skiing, kune vanokwira makomo kumusitereki vai vanotsvaga muhwara wemvura, ndounovaudza kuti pakareruka kwekwira napo ndepapi, nekuti mvura inoyerera ichitsvaga the least resistance. Ndozvinoita kuti magetsi pamuchazoita electricity in your physics or chemistry, you're going to learn kuti tikaisa tambo 2 dzakasiyana, imwe tambo ikava nemore resistance than the other, electricity will flow through the wire with least resistance. Saka that is the same way we should do mathematics. Saka when we are thinking about solving non-right angled obtuse angled triangles, our first point of thought should be the sine rule, because it's the easier of the two. Saka takatarisa the sine rule manje, tiri kuzvibvunza isusu kuti inoshanda here apa. Mudzidzisi vati haishande. Nemhaka yei? Nemhaka yekuti ma-requirements esine rule anoti we should have an A over sine A being equal to a B over sine B. Saka kana tichida kuti sine rule iapply kutsvaga side, remember x is actually a side ratiri kutsvaga, we should have chekutanga the formula. Saka pandatora the workable formula, we know kuti formula yacho inozoendera mberi ichiti is equal to c over sine c. But reason ndangotora a over sine a is equal to b over sine b, inawe yekuti ndiri kuda kungodhila neformula yatinozoshandisa pakuweka. Saka kana tichida kutsvaga b, for example, we need a and sine a. Saka tiri kuda side, tiri kuda corresponding angle. And when we were doing the sine rule takati this is called the completed pair, like this. Then tiri kuda futi b ino ishi, which is what? Which is the interior angle. We need the interior angle of the question, and question of course the b. Saka we need these three things. Tiri kuda a completed pair, side ne angle yaro, then kuside ratiri kutsvaga tiri kuda angle yaro. Saka pakutsvaga x manje, we only have one interior angle, kureva kuti tingori, for example in this case tingori na a chete, hatina b, and hatina futi imwe nzira yatingawana nayo imwe angle iri mukati methat triangle. So because of that we cannot apply the sine rule. What can we apply then? We can apply the cosine rule. And in applying the cosine rule, now solving the question, takuti what exactly are we looking at? Kana tichapply the cosine rule, what we need is apa panitiri kutsvaga missing side. Saka kana tichitsvaga missing side tinoda chi? Tinoda again, we need a pair. In that case we have b and b, that is the pair we need, and one other side. Saka tikuda, sorry, it's side. Saka tikuda a side with its corresponding angle, then toda at least one side, with two sides and an angle. Saka kana chitsvaga a side we need two sides and an angle. Kana chitsvaga an angle we need all the three sides. You are going to notice this, and this is going to be on your fingertips through rigorous practice. Saka kuita as many questions as humanly possible, ndozvinoita kuti zvinhu izvi zvive as obvious as it should be. Saka we have determined that we are going to use the cosine rule. We now want to apply the cosine rule. I also want to be sure that you understand why to disqualify the sine rule, and also why to tichashandisa the cosine rule. Izvi ndazvitsanangura kuti pangangouya question inoshanda the sine rule isingashande the cosine rule, you should be able to navigate through those questions. So if you did not understand pandanga ndichitsanangura kuti we are going to disqualify the sine rule and apply the cosine rule, please indicate in the comments section so that I try to explain it again. And if you do not want to do it publicly, you can contact me directly on my contact details, which are going to be available in the description of this video and also as the first comment of this video. Tiri ipapo, let us now apply. Saka pakuapply kwedu manje tichatsvaga iri b, and the reason why tichatsvaga iri b in a way kuti b ndiye ane angle. Understand? B ndiye ane angle, saka tichatsvaga iri b. Tiri kunzi b chi, we know kuti b inenge iri equal to 2x, because this b is the angle, this one becomes the corresponding side. Saka a inenge iri ipi, small letter a iri equal to x and c iri equal to 4. So in applying the cosine rule, tichati isusu b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b, like this. Tadaro manje, tichabva tati isusu, let us now substitute. This is a very important part. Takuda kusubstitute. So patadraw triangle yedu, we noticed kuti b ndeupi, a ndeupi, c ndeupi. We noted that. So because of that, takuda kureplace b nenamba yake, a nenamba yake, c nenamba yake, then capital B, which is the angle, nenamba yake zvakare. Saka b iri equal to chi, b iri equal to 2x. Saka pana b panapa chanoisa 2x, tisingakanganwi kuti b ari squared. This is equal to, pana a chanoisa x, tisingakanganwi kuti ari what, squared, plus pana c chanoisa 4, tisingakanganwi kuti ari squared, that minus 2 multiplying pana a chanoisa x, then pana c chanoisa futi 4. This is the cos of 120 degrees. So the reason why tatsvaga iri b in a way kuti tichada kuzoti cos of b muhombe, tanga tisingakwanisi kutsvaga ya a because hatina angle, kana kuti ya c because futi hatina angle. You understand? Okay. So tiri pano manje, let us now solve. Saka tikati 2x squared. 2x squared, we should know kuti if we have ab squared, I am a laws of indices. Ab squared is equal to a squared times b squared. Saka squared iri kunze uku inoita square everything inside the bracket. Saka 2x squared yakasiyana. The reason why nchiti kana mchinyora zvinhu zvine masquare, always put my brackets in a way kuti I want to protect you from this fundamental error. What is this fundamental error? Fundamental error ndeyekuti kunyora kuti 2x squared nekunyora kuti 2x squared zvakasiyana. Zvakatosiyana zvinhu izvi. Yet kana ukanyora izvi panapa, unenge wanyora chinhu chiri wrong. Chiri correct kuti 2x squared, because we need the square of b ari wese, of which kunyora 2x squared wango square the variable part of b alone. Saka whenever you are writing something chinenge chiri raised to a certain power, you should put it inside brackets. Otherwise, you make really fundamental mistakes. So applying this panapa, we are just going to say 2x squared inge equal to 4x squared. The square of 2 ndi 4 and the square of x ndi x squared. This is equal to x squared inongodzoka yakadaro plus then what is 4 squared is 16 from 4 times 4, but that minus What is 2 times x? That will be 2x. In fact, we can just say, what is 2 times 4? 8. 8 times x, 8x. So it's minus 8x panapa, but it's the cos of what? 120 degrees. Okay? So let us solve right kuno. Saka 4x squared is equal to x squared plus 16, then it's minus 8x multiplying. What is the cos of 120 degrees? Saka the cos of 120 degrees, deno kwanga kuri kupepa 1 vaigona kungotipa the cos of 60 instead, vachiziva kuti question ichada kuti titsvage the cos of 120. Saka ndiisire pano. Iyi inobvunzwa mumacomments kana munhu ari interested kuti kuri kuti tapiwa the cos of 60 tinowana sei the cos of 120. Tinokwanisa kuiwana. Hint ndeyekuti tichashandisa matrig ratios ema-obtuse angled triangles. In particular, minus cos theta is equal to the cos of 180 minus theta. So if you are interested, muma comments, let me continue with my work. Saka, this is paper 2. So because it's paper 2, we are just going to put it into a calculator. Put it into a calculator, we are going to find out that the answer is minus 0.5. You can verify this on your own, of course. Sakatadaro, let us solve further. So it's 4x squared is equal to x squared plus 16. Then what is minus times minus? I know it's a plus. Please revise my directed numbers. These are fundamentals of mathematics. You should know how to deal with them. If you do not remember, I have recorded lectures and lessons on the directed numbers. You can check them in our mother channel, Maths in Shona, Ordinary Level Mathematics Form 1 to 4. This channel is Maths in Shona practice questions. Saka, in this channel, we are focused on only practice questions. But in the other channel, we are focused on lessons and lectures. So panapa, a negative multiplying a negative gives us a positive. Then what is 8x times 0.5? Knowing kuti 0.5 zvongoreva kuti half. Umwe angabvunza kuti half maiwanepi? 0.5 inobva pakuti chi 5 over 10. Why 5 over 10? Because kana tikatarisa decimal point system inotudza kuti tine units toita tenths. The tenths zvongoreva kuti over 10. Saka because of that, 5 into 5 ndi 1 and 5 into 10 ndi 2. Ndo panobva kuti 0.5 ndiyo half. We have a short video inotsanangura about this also on our parent channel. Saka, what is the half of 8x? Of course, ndi 4x. Like this. Saka panapa manje, what we now need to do is, we now need to just collect like terms. Saka, kuno kutagara tina 4x squared. X squared uno akajamba iko sign anosvika ari minus x squared. 4x uyu akajamba iko sign anosvika ari minus 4x. Then 16 wokupedzisira akajamba iko sign anosvika ari minus 16. Kureva kuti kuno kuyava equals to 0. So zvaitika panapa hama ndezvekuti x squared yatransfer ichisvika ya minus x squared, 16 ikatransfer ichisvika ya minus 16, 4x ikatransfer ichisvika yava chi minus 4x. Then kana tadaro tikazongoti 4x squared minus x squared tinowana 3x squared. Then it's minus 4x minus 16. This is equal to 0. Saka panapa tichati chi shon. Zvatopera. Tapedza. Tapedza. Waichi tapedza tikadzokera question. Question iri kutotaura ichiti in the form iri kuti reduce in the form 3x squared minus 4x minus 16 is equal to 0. 3x squared minus 4x minus 16 is equal to 0. Zvapera. Basa tasiya tapedza. Okay. So kana muine ma questions, please ma comments. Then kune vai vanoti ama video yenyu yakakurisa, Ndichaisa video iri mumachapters. So if you do not want explanation yangu yekutsanangura kuti nemhaka yetaita chakati, you can just go straight patatangira kuwork our question. That will be less beneficial to you, of course, unless you are really handy, which is the concepts acho. Then to those who wish to join us in the Math Hub, my numbers are going to be availed in the description of this video and also in as the first comment. And my numbers, you get me on WhatsApp. If you want to call, you can do that on the +27 number. The other thing is, you should also know kuti we can teach in English. We are teaching in Shona because we are targeting a particular demographic. That is Zimbabwean students who are finding it difficult to understand mathematics in English. That is why we are teaching primarily in Shona, but of course it's hybridized. So it's Shona and English, but more inclined towards the Shona part. But if you are Zimbabwean, say in Ndebele, you want to be taught in English, you can join the school. You tell us, you give us that demand, we meet it. We have instructors who are really good in this English language, but we are only limited, unfortunately, to the English language. So it's only English and Shona. At that, these will be my numbers. And the other one, thank you for your patience to endure my long lessons, and please do well in your simsek. Those who ndishande kudai so. Thank you.